Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to add audio and soundtracks. First of all, let's drag our video. Let's say we want to delete this audio and make some upbeat to our video without our sound. We need to disable the video, then select the audio of the video and then click delete, enable, and then you can add your audio as you want. Let's say for example this and we run it. That's our new audio. We can always modify. Let's say we want to cut it. We click the C button, C, and we want to delete, for example, this part. And now let's say we want to add sound effect in this part. We can add it like this, then click this. Oh, like that. We can trim it. Save like that. Can close this cap. And you can also change the position so it plays three audio at the same time. So that's all.